Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Tab's local multiplayer. First, install the game, launch a sandbox match, enable local players, and connect controllers before inviting friends to join the session. Use shared screens or span with multiple controllers, pick factions, and set team limits. Keep backups of saves and test each controller in menus to avoid matchmaking delays. Start by checking controller compatibility and battery levels before play. Plug wired controllers first, then pair wireless pads in Steam or the game's controller menu and confirm mappings. For keyboard and mouse, set separate input profiles and avoid overlapping keys. If players use different devices, calibrate dead zones and sensitivity. Practice a short round to confirm inputs and performance before inviting larger groups to ensure smooth local gameplay. Quick recommendation: subscribe and like if this walkthrough is helping you, it really supports the channel. I also want to mention a book I enjoyed, The Simple Path to Wealth, which gives clear money advice you can use to fund game nights and hardware upgrades. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing it if you want financial simplicity. Now let's get back to the video. Troubleshoot common issues by restarting the game and reconnecting controllers. Check for conflicting mods, verify file integrity, and update drivers or Steam settings to resolve controller detection problems. Use cloud saves cautiously and export local saves before major changes, and keep separate save slots for each player. If lag occurs, lower graphics, limit background apps, and consider using wired connections for consistent input. Refer to the game's community for player-made fixes and controller profiles when needed.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.